Have you ever bought high-quality Vietnamese hair extensions, only to watch them turn dry, tangled, and dull after just a few weeks? You're not alone, and the good news is, the fix is easier than you think. Today, I'm going to share why jojoba oil might just be the miracle your extensions have been waiting for. Let's be real, unlike our natural hair, extensions don't get oils from the scalp. Once they're cut and sewn, they lose their natural moisture source. That makes them extra vulnerable to dryness, split ends, tangling, and breakage, especially if you style them often or skip proper care. Worse, many people apply thick conditioners or heavy oils, thinking they're helping, but those products often cause buildup, weigh the hair down, and leave it looking greasy rather than glossy. Here's where jojoba oil comes in. Jojoba oil isn't just another hair oil. It's one of the closest things to the natural oil your scalp produces. That means your extensions absorb it beautifully, without feeling greasy or heavy. Jojoba oil is packed with nutrients like vitamin E, B-complex, and essential fatty acids, making it ideal for reviving dry, brittle strands. It penetrates the hair shaft, seals in moisture, smooths the cuticle, and helps prevent tangling. Apply a few drops to your palms, rub them together, and gently run your hands through the mid-lengths and ends of your extensions. You can use it on damp or dry hair, but never soak the roots or use too much. Pro tip: brush gently after applying to distribute the oil evenly and give the hair a silky finish. Use it 2 to 3 times a week, or more often if your extensions are exposed to heat styling or sun. What can you expect? Smooth, shiny hair, fewer tangles, less breakage, longer-lasting extensions that actually look and feel healthy. It's a small step in your routine, but it can double the lifespan of your Vietnamese hair extensions.